Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can do is just use the forgot password option when you log in into your Facebook. So as soon as the website loads for you, and shows you the login form. It might last for 1 second before disappearing and displaying the security notice. So within 1 second, the login form is showing you. Just click the forgot password button. So it will take you to a screen where you will be given the choice of entering your phone number or email address. Just choose either your email or phone number and you will be logged in instantly. Then once you've done that, you'll send your Facebook profile page and from here you need to close the browser. And from here you need to try and link your Facebook account to your game again and it will instantly identify you and your logged in information. So you can try this option, but there are other ways to fix the security issue if it doesn't work for you, and that is to don't use mod apps and games. So using cloned apps is excellent, but remember to include a Facebook app in the same copied app. The cloning app is considered a smartphone, and if no Facebook app is found, the login page will display an error message. Remember that while the Facebook app on your device will be using the same resources as the primary smartphone, the Facebook app on your device must be the most recent version. So this regulation was implemented to keep the mod apps and games from being used. So Facebook itself can identify illicit apps or games that have been updated, and entrance permits will get denied for these apps and games, although not all of them are, just most of them are. So as for you, do you want to continue using the mod app or the mod game and not be able to save progress to Facebook, or do you want to switch to the official app instead? So the app owner may be unwilling to have this work hijacked since it is damaging to them, must also be taken into consideration. And then next, you can do is to use the Facebook instead of the Facebook Lite. So Facebook Lite may be beneficial to specific individuals. However, you are unable to link a game or app data to Facebook using Facebook Lite due to the limitations of the platform. So at the time of writing, of or the time of this video, Facebook Lite does not offer the same login method as the main Facebook website. So just use the standard Facebook app if you wish to log in and link particular app or game data with your Facebook account. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.